Yeah.
Hey there YouTube, good morning. I'm currently in King's Cross, St Pancras, and I'm off for a week to Paris, looking very tired as you can tell, but I wanted to show you two quick ways that social media marketing is going to enable you to travel wherever and whenever you want, and really if you're looking for freedom to travel, social media marketing I think is really the best business model for it. Once again, it costs nothing to start, and I want to show you on my phone quickly just how simple it is. Okay, you literally need your mobile to either apply for jobs, and these are people that are looking for people with skills that can use YouTube or Facebook ads that for their business. Okay, and if you can step in, you're going to get paid really well for that. Okay, now I also want to show you quickly another way that not too many social media marketers either they're not using it or they're not showing you to get clients. Okay, now that way is actually LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is really useful because there's a ton of recruiters on there that have a ton of jobs that they need to fill. Okay, so I want to show you one, for example, that I'm in talks with at the moment. Hopefully everything goes well today, and it could be an additional £18,000 a year. Okay, now that's a full-time wage for a lot of people, and if you're able to get 3 or 4 of them that are remote and work from home jobs, then you're going to see yourself earning 40 or 50,000 very quickly. Okay, so let me show you proof. I'm going to hide her name, but as you can see, 16 hours per week, which is really flexible in terms of how many per day, and work from home is available too. Okay, so that's around 18k, and a really good way to pick up clients. Okay, get in touch with recruiters, build relationships with them, and hopefully they're going to be able to pass you on to companies. Okay, and that's a really good way to get yourself in the door, okay, when you're starting out. So make sure your LinkedIn profile is looking good, and then simply reach out to these recruiters and they're gonna help you out. Okay, now myself, I love to travel, and that's one of the reasons that I want to work online, and that I am working online, and that I have been able to for a little while now. Okay, so if that's something that interests you and enables you the freedom to pick up a suitcase, your laptop, a phone, and some coffee, then this business model really is for you. Once again, you're probably going to see some stuff in Paris, but I wanted to show you and give you some value on a few ways, additional ways that you can go out there and get clients. Okay, so once again, if you have questions, make sure to message me directly, and check out the links below, and get your journey started today. Okay, so until next time, peace out guys.
Yeah.